I'm back here, Fly by Diego, and today I'll show you what I found.
Oh, I can't wait for this. This is going to be super exciting. Let's see these.
I found this one.
Nice. Super awesome Fly by Diego.
This one.
And another. Ooh. What do you think, guys?
This one.
Super cool.
The last one. This one.
Let me see. Let me see the last one again.
The
Nice.
last one is
Okay, hold it up right there. Don't move. Whoa. What are those called?
they're called fossils.
Nice. Super awesome. Are you super excited you're doing for Fossils Fly by Diego?
Yeah.
Cool.
If you ever not want to learn, you'll have these tools, and if you ever want to be a paleontologist when you grow up, you're gonna need some pretty great tools.
Let me see. Show me your tools that you got.
Brush, pretty normal. A magnifying glass, and a digger.
Those are some pretty awesome tools there you got, Fly by Diego.
So if you want to learn how to dig, well, here's how to dig. Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. Can't wait. You think all the kids should get this fossil set?
Well, everyone that watches this video should get one.
If you want to become a paleontologist, right?
Yeah. Whoever wants to become a paleontologist, well, just look for this symbol. And this, 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 and this.
All right. Sure will, Fly by Diego. Well, thank you for showing us your amazing fossils that you got, Fly by Diego. We hope we can see some more again. When are you going to find another one?
Probably about tomorrow.
Sounds good. We'll check back tomorrow, and hopefully you have some cool fossils for us. Right?
Yep.
All right.